Looking for a great way to add value to each and every project? Well, look no further. Our drone footage is available for your next project. We can offer aerial footage, construction management. We can also have drones available to site analysis any project you are on. We can take photos, we can take video, we can add this to any project. We can mobilize within 24 hours, have footage available within 48 hours. Look no further. We have 4K video, 1080p, and available in all media formats.
So if you have any questions, give us a call and we'll be happy to help you.